Hi, once again, this is Piwe, the Mdidieli of this trip. Just want to speak from the Mdidieli's point of view. Since we started doing these hikes about 2 years ago. Sheesh, it's been a long time. Yeah, there've been a lot of lessons. We first went from Kala, where we had food, like we were covering food for a Christmas event. There was a lot of stuff that was wasted, but I think as time has rolled on, we have improved in terms of preparing ourselves and not wasting so much. And this trip by far I think has been very good in a sense because we actually got to chill and chat and play games. So this time we came back to our booking place. We were back here by 4, so which means we could relax, we could bath, we could snack and prepare food, eat in time, and then just use the evening to enjoy chatting to each other. So it's been good. Obviously we are looking forward to more trips. We're going to have a winter one coming up in the chilling hills of Matatiele, so I'm looking forward to that. Angazi ukuthi bekuhike esingaki, but I think it was the first successful hike engiyoyile. Okay, the day of travel to here it was okay until we got lost endleleni. Well, it was partly my fault because ngiphuza ukusuka eMsinga, so sasasuka ngabo 12. Then sahlangana nomkhulu la, siyabuza ukuthi umkhulu naye akayazi le ndawo sifunayo, uyibuza kithi. But yes, safika, we made it, and then it was fine. Next day sa travela kahle to, what was it, Wathaba? Yes. Shame. They right. It had so many beautiful places. Ama traces were corner. They just, alright. I think sicingeka kayi-1 nje nakhona ngazi why besicing, but nje alright. One thing I've learned again in this hike is that first step is always the hardest, but you just have to know why you started from the beginning, because my 2 first kilometers, I wanted to give up. Bengivele ngicabanga ngecathedral nje ukuthi okay, this is another cathedral, a struggle, and I'm not gonna get to the top. But okay, it wasn't so bad. So I'm inviting abanye abantu to come. It's really nice.
So I'm Nomsa, and our first hike this year was in Mpumalanga at Wathaba hiking trails. And I'm from Mpumalanga, so it was great because it was like hiking in my own backyard. The hike that we did was the 10-kilometer Links Loop. It was an amazing hike because there were so many trees along the way. It was a nice, relaxed hike. We didn't have to bother ourselves with a lot of sunscreen. And along the way, we found this amazing waterfall. It's called the Cascade. And the water was nice and cold, so we got to dip our toes in it. It was like getting an ice bath. And if anything, that really just rejuvenated me for the entire hike. And it just boosted my energy to just make sure I get to the end. And I'm really looking forward to more hiking trails, and I'm hoping that more of them have waterfalls.
Sinking low, scatterlings and fugitives, hooded eyes and weary brows seek refuge in the night. They are the scatterlings of Africa, each uprooted one.